Hello, right now we will show you how to publish a collection on the new NFT space. There are two options for publishing a collection. The first one is without registration, and the second one is with registration on the website. Registration on the website takes just 1 minute, and you gain access to a personal dashboard with features for tracking and analyzing your collection or group of collections. You can also edit it at any time and receive email notifications about the status of your collections. This is highly convenient, especially if you work as an NFT project manager or are their creator. How to list your NFT collection? Go to the website and find the Get Listed button. If you are registered on the website, you can also add a collection through your personal account. Here, you need to fill in all the details about your collection. If you want to add or change them later, we recommend registering on the website immediately. Otherwise, you will have to request support to manually update the information on the site. Enter the collection name and select the blockchain. Set the price and supply. Upload photos and write a brief description of the collection, if available. Set the start date and time for sales. Next, add the collection's website and social media profiles. You can also immediately add marketplaces where your collection is being sold or will be sold. Then proceed to the tag selection section. Here, you can add relevant tags or categories for your collection, which will help users find you on the website. You can also include a link if you have one. We also allow you to add links to third-party Rarity services, although you can also upload your Rarity on our website. We also have a Partners and Team section. Here, you can upload photos of partner companies or communities and add links to them or joint articles if you have any. At the bottom, you can add the project's development team, include photos, names, surnames, and their roles within the team. After you have filled in the information, you can review it. We still recommend registering on the website to access the full editing and tracking functionality for your collection. Click the Next button. This is the page where you can purchase premium features for your collection. It's an optional option, and you can skip it if you wish. However, if you need advertising, GIF animation for your collection or Rarity, you can purchase them here. Payment is processed through Coinbase, and we recommend using Polygon Matic for payment. Since we're not interested in purchasing at the moment, let's click on this button. Great, your collection is now published. It will appear on the main page of the website shortly.